Alright, so today you're going to be using a thesaurus to create an acrostic. When you open Word, hopefully it's going to be defaulted on the left for formatting. If not, if it defaults in the center, then you just click left to get back left aligned. Alright, so you're going to start by typing your name vertically, and you do that by typing in a letter, pressing enter, and then typing in each letter, press enter after each letter. Alright, so I'm going to go back up to the first letter. You got to put in some words that describe you. I am not good at this at all. So I'm just going to come up with the first word I can think of. Amazing. Mommy. I'll come back to B. I can't think of one for B. Extraordinary. An R. Let's think. Okay, now I gotta go back up to the dreaded B. Because I am believable, I think. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this first little letter here, and we're going to make this letter really big. So you can use several ways to do it. You can do it by clicking the down arrow right here next to the font. You can just make it big one giant time, or you can highlight that one little letter and you can just incrementally go up. Has the same effect, but you just want to make that one first letter of your name bigger. Alright, so now you see I've got my name going straight down as an acrostic. Now is when you're going to use this thesaurus. Alright, so you're going to highlight your word that you want a synonym for. You go to review, and then we're going to click on thesaurus. Amazing, and it comes up with some additional words. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to put a comma after your word you initially chose. And then you're going to put in two additional words. So I will choose astonishing. Well, I have to type it in, sorry. Astonishing. And another one for amazing. Let's just go with startling. Because sometimes my kids do tell me I startle them. Alright, so mommy is our next word. So instead of having to highlight this and do it all over again, you just come right over here and you type in mommy. And you press enter. Okay, so it doesn't have mommy, so maybe you could choose mother. There we go. Okay, so some synonyms for mommy are mom and mama. Alright, believable is our next one. I never spell that word right. Well, I spelled it right over here. So I'm going to choose two additional words from over here in this options that it's given me. And I'll choose authentic because I'm very unique. And acceptable. Alright, so I'm almost done, so I'm just going to finish up these last two. You can follow along with me and see kind of how it goes. Oops. Alright, so now I'm done with the thesaurus. That's like a tongue twister. So I can X out of the thesaurus. I'm done with it. Alright, so now I need you to enter an image for each of these, an image for each letter. And not just any image. It can't be like the letter A. It has to be an image that relates to these words. So we're going to choose Insert. And we're going to click on Online Pictures. This is a new feature to Word 2013. This is in the way of my words. So what happens is you can click here and you hold the mouse and then you drag it and then you drop it. So you click in the search box and I'm just going to put amazing. And I'm going to press enter and it will search and let's see what comes up. I like this one. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to click on this. And then down here, you see it gives you the option to insert, and I'm going to insert it. Okay, so it's there, but it's not really where I want it. It doesn't go with my words. So I'm going to pick it up, and I'm going to move it. It'll go to here. Alright? Alright, so my next one. And again, you go to Insert, you go to Online Pictures. You type in the word you're looking for in the search box. You find an image that you like. Well, I don't like any of those, so let's change it to Mom. There we go. I like those a bit better, because Mom is still a synonym for Mom, Mommy. That seems like me some days. Alright, so this is a good example. This one is a bit large. Alright, so what you're going to do if you want to resize it, you go to any of the four corners, could be this one, or this one, or this one. But you position your little arrow in that corner until you get this directional arrow, an arrow pointing in either direction. And then you click and you hold it till it becomes a plus sign. Don't let go. And then you can scroll your mouse and make it smaller, till it kind of fits where you like. Alright, so I'm just going to keep right on going, see what else I can come up with here. And this is another way, well, another thing I can show you. So this is really big and it's kind of fuzzy. And it gets fuzzy because the image is too big. It's pixeled out. So you're going to again shrink it down. And you see when you do, it's going to automatically go where you want. And it flipped around on me. So all I did is scroll the mouse back the other way. Sometimes images just flip over a little bit if you roll the mouse too far. But that's an easy fix. And I like that little guy because, you know, sometimes my kids tell me, you're just so weird. Alright, go to Insert, and my last picture. And if you see it scrolled over to page 2, my name is short enough so that I can have it all on one page. And I'm just shrunk the image down just so it would all fit on one page. Or not. So I'm going to just shrink it a little bit more. I just wanted it all together. Alright, so you go to Page Layout. And we're going to check your margins. And so to get to Page Layout, there's all these ribbons right here. There's Home, Developer, Insert, Design. Page Layout is the one I want you to go to. Click on Margins. And then it should be 111. 1 inches all the way around. So then you're going to save your document. And then you're going to upload it for grading. That's pretty easy. And you do save it as a Word document. So then you can preview it as well. I hope you enjoyed today learning how to not only use a thesaurus, but also learning how to put images into a Word document. Have a great day.